How to delete Snapchat friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete friends on Snapchat. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version, as sometimes if your app is not updated, it will restrict some features and you might not be able to delete a friend on Snapchat. So now once you've made sure your app is updated, simply open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. And now once you're logged in, simply go to the chats and then select the person whom you want to delete as a friend or unfriend. So now let's say this is the person whom you want to unfriend or delete a friend. So simply tap on their profile and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a list of various options will appear where you'll have to tap on the second one, which is manage friendship. And now it'll basically provide you with 4 different options. You can either report them, block them, remove them as a friend, and then edit name. So since we are here to delete a friend, simply tap on the option remove friend. And now once you tap on remove and confirm removing friend, you will have successfully deleted or removed someone as a friend on Snapchat. So let's do that real quick. And now as you can see, the person has been deleted from your friend list, and now if you want, you can again add them as a friend by sending them a friend request. So that is how you delete Snapchat friends. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.